Hi everyone. Today is the 19th of March, and yesterday I went around and did kind of a catch up with the yard and just to take a look at what was blooming and if we should release some of the mason bees, because our weather has been kind of on the cooler side this year. What I released last year at this time, I released 2 males and 4 females, I believe, 4 or 6 females. I have a lot of females versus the males. So I'm going to do it this week, and then if the weather holds at 50 and above for the next week, I'll release another 2 and 6 ratio. Then I'll release another one the week after, and then the other one the week after. About a week for them to warm up to where they hatch, so it's a good time to take out some of them right now since I have so many, and they only fly about 300 feet to their nearest food source. And right now, since I'm only 110 feet from the front street, I have a neighbor that has a humongous plum tree, and it is in full bloom right now. So I went ahead, grabbed my tubes from last year, looked down with a flashlight and to see the holes, and you can see the holes are opened, and with the flashlight you can tell if anything has been damaged or not, or if there's any bugs in there. And I tapped them really good, and there was nothing in them. So what I do is I just rubber band 12 of them. Now 12 of them fit in my little tube that I made, and this is just PVC pipe. So I put my brown tubes in. Now I have my straws, and I put clean straws in. These are the ones that you take out of the brown tube to harvest your bees. And they just fit right down into the brown. I can take this bottom off because it's just a 1.5 inch PVC pipe that I cut just a little bit longer than the tubes. So, grab my mason bees. It looks like I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6 females, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10 males that I'm going to put out because I had so many mason bees. So this is how many I'm going to put out right now in the little house. So I just use a little tiny wooden birdhouse that I get at the craft store. I just thought that was just easy to put up. It sits up underneath the eaves. So it's just a little, I think I paid $1 for it. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is how many, I get it really close here. This is how many that I had that were in the house last year. This is what I started with. And you can see that they ate their little way out of the cocoon. I'm going to take all these little guys, put them in my hand, and just pour them in the little birdhouse. And then I'm going to go out and hang them. I'm going to go out and hang these 2 up underneath my eaves in front of my potting shed. And I'm going to hang them up, and then I'm going to grab the camera and bring it out and show you guys. Okay, so it's 2:30 and the sun is just hitting the little bees to get them warmed up. And the sun actually comes around and hits over here right about noon in this in about another 2 weeks. It'll be noon and it'll be sunny. And then this pole gives them shade in the hot afternoons so they don't bake real hot. Plus it's got an overhang to keep them from getting wet, and it's where I can reach them too. So my little bee nest, that won't move. I got it, it's got some Velcro, and it's in there tight. And they'll come out and they'll crawl right here, and they'll wait and they'll crawl up and they'll wait for the females to